We're offering our expert advice on the best camping gear essentials you need for an enjoyable camping trip without just bringing everything in the kitchen sink. So, tarp. You want to start with this. This is your base layer. You put this underneath your tent. It provides a nice, smooth area so nothing starts poking through and damaging your tent. You can buy something similar called a tent footprint. They cost 10 to 20 times as much as a cheap poly tarp. So you want to go with the tarp because it's much more affordable. If you're on a budget, you want to go with this, especially if you don't go out camping a lot. Next essential is the tent. If you're going to be out camping, a tent is one of the pretty much basic things. Sometimes you can get away with a tarp if you do that, but if you're doing family tents, you're going to be doing it for a nice week-long vacation. Tent's the way you want to go. Next, we have a sleeping bag. Each person is going to need a sleeping bag. Under that sleeping bag, you're going to want to put something underneath it. This could be an air mattress or a foam sleeping pad like this. You can also use a cot. You don't want to be sleeping on the cold, hard ground. It's not going to be comfortable, so you need to bring something else. For a pillow, if you want to pack very lightly, you can just use some extra clothes you have to make that pillow. You want to keep it to the bare minimum. Next is you have to eat. So you're going to either want to bring your own food or do something like this freeze-dried food. If you're doing backpack camping, this is the type of food you need because it's very lightweight, doesn't have the water in it that's going to weigh you down. You can get your water closer to the source when you go to prepare your meal. You're probably going to want some sort of a plate to eat off of. We have these steel enamelware plates that are very durable that people love. And you're going to want some sort of knife and spoon and fork to eat your food with. Next is the drinks. If you're car camping, bottled water is an option. You can just pick up a case of this at the grocery store. If you're doing something a little more remote, you're going to want to have something like a water carrier so that you can bring water in from somewhere close to where you're camping. If that's the case, you're also going to want some water treatment to treat that water so that it's safe to drink. There's drops or there's tablets that are a great option. You're going to want some sort of mug to drink out of. These enamelware mugs are pretty durable and a popular choice. And if you're an adult, like most people, you're going to want coffee. So something like this collapsible drip filter system, pair that with some coffee. You bring in a Ziploc bag and a scoop. You put this over your cup with some hot water and you get drip coffee wherever you are at your campsite. If you're in the London area and you want camping advice for your first camping trip, come on by the store and see our camping experts. If you're not nearby, please visit our website camping-gear.ca for more expert advice and a checklist to help out. For all your camping essentials, please visit Forest City Surplus, 1712 Dundas Street in London, Ontario, or online at fcsurplus.com.